this is my favorite camping, the Davos, which is located maybe 30 kilometers to the south from the Rhinos. Why it's favorite? Because even in the high season there are not so many visitors.
Before there used to be shop, some shop and bar, I think, but I stay here 3 times and all these times it was closed. Maybe because of not so many visitors, so it's closed. Only one walk-in fridge. Yes, it's for common usage. Also not so much products. It means not so many visitors of camping. Also you can rent this fridge for €1 in a day, as far as I remember. This is kitchen. Yeah. These fridges don't work. Okay. Oh. Very good condition. This water we have. Okay. The showers, generally it's clear, but nobody repairs it. As you can see, shelf is broken, holder is broken, hook is broken. Nobody replaces and repair. There is shelf, but in another cabin it's broken. Also, no toilet paper, you need to use your own toilet paper. This is women's shower. Also there are barbecue zone, but I stayed in this camping for the 3rd time, and all this time open fire is forbidden because dangerous season. You know, in Greece in summer a lot of fires in the forest, so they forbid, the government forbids open fire in any place. So I don't know when it works for the first time, this barbecue zone, because all the summer is dangerous season for open fire. It means not any barbecue. So this is the beach of camping. The advantage of this beach, because even in the high season you can hardly hear more than 10 persons on the whole beach. Not, I mean, I say not not now, not on the reason because now it's 7 o'clock in the morning, but even in the daytime maximum 10 persons. So the beach is almost empty. The water is clear, super, water is super here. But also there is a disadvantage. Maybe beginning from 5 meters from the beach, there is a lot of sea hedgehogs, a lot of. But after they lie on the bottom, and these hedgehogs finish are after, if you see there is a red bubble, yeah, maybe after 20-30 meters from which they finish. So, or you use slippers, special slippers like this, or you can, for example, go down here to swim 30 meters approximately, and there is a sand and there is a shallow line, and for example maximum 1 meter, and there is a sand and there is no so you can cross this area. So I just warn you, be dangerous, because from the distance beginning from the beach 5 meters and up to 25-30 meters there are a lot of hedgehogs, area of hedgehogs. But further there is a shallow area with sand, no hedgehogs. Another thing, you can see the bed. Generally it costs around 3 or 4 euro in a day, but usually people, as I see, just take without money, and administration of the camping close their eyes. So you can use it free of charge. Regarding Wi-Fi is free of charge, but the area of Wi-Fi is near reception. For example, here we can see chairs and tables. So especially in the evenings there are a lot of people with electronic devices. So in this area you can use Wi-Fi free of charge, only here. So this is reception, this is the central entrance to the camping, and the area of camping is rather big. It goes along the beach from one side to another side, I think around 200 meters, 300 meters from one side to another side. A lot of trees, olive, mostly olive, almost some pines. It's another kind of trees, so there is mix. People usually come with their own tent. For example, yes, the pitches are numbered, as you see, or you can use your own caravan. Before you could rent caravan in camping, but now due to Corona time it's forbidden. To regret. So the caravans you can see now, it's mostly for people, from people who can carry their own ones. I'm not sure about this one. Also, as I understood, there are a lot of people, mostly local ones, who rented this area for a long time. They have their own pitches, they have their own caravans, and they pay for the year, for the whole year. Yes. Mostly there are Bulgarian and Romanian people. Also, you can rent their own tent of camping. For example, like this one, it costs around 17 euro in a day for 5-6 persons. This is plus chair and 4 chairs and table. 17 euro plus, of course, for every person, for electricity, for